Okay, this is Coach Mike back on another edition of the back office tutorial videos. We are still under the My Organization tab, and on this we're going to talk about reports and the waiting room. So first we're going to click on Reports. When the Reports tab comes up, you're going to see three items: Genealogy Report, Address List, and Email List. Now, you're going to be able to export information out of each of these lists. The information under Address List and Email List is the same information that you're going to see under Genealogy List, except it's only going to give you the addresses here. And here it's only going to give you the emails. The genealogy will give you all of the basic information regarding your organization. Reason that we have the address and email list there is for people that really want to get specific and just pull out certain information from the organization. So let's go ahead and click on Genealogy Report. What's going to come up is a very simple viewer that you can actually come in. Let me scroll down here if you can see everything. And it's going to say commission period. What do you want to run a genealogy report on? What's commission period? You're going to click on whatever commission period you want to go. It's going to say greater than rank. If you just want to see the ranks that are greater than supervisor in your team, you're going to click that. If you want to see all ranks, you leave it there. The depth of your organization, in this example, the depth only goes to 99 because that's this organization. Show addresses, yes or no, if you want to see the addresses. What format would you like to view this in? HTML, which is Internet code, or if you click the drop-down arrow, you can see it in Excel, which is a database, or a text file, a .txt, in like a notepad type format. How do you want it delivered to you? You want to run it right now immediately and get the report? Or do you want to have it emailed to you right now? Or would you like this report that you're doing to be emailed to you every month on a certain day? You can pick the day. Would you like it emailed to you every week on a certain day, literally on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday? Would you like this report emailed to you every day? If so, there's your email address on file that you can get that report. Click on Run Report, and it's going to do whatever you just told the system to do. That's the genealogy report. Now, if we go back up here, remember there was three reports on that page. The address list, you're going to see a form that looks just like the genealogy report. When we scroll down here, the address list shows you the depth of how you can go. Greater than, you can show all the ranks, or you can just sort by certain ranks or higher. Here you can actually go in and click on which city you want to pull people out of your organization. If you have a large organization, say in Dallas, Texas, and you only want to get their information, type in Dallas, Texas right there. You can type in Dallas, and it would pull it out. Which state do you want to pull it out? All the states? No, I just want to go to Dallas, Texas. So I can scroll down here until I find Texas. Whoop, there it is. I can pull out all the distributors in Dallas, Texas within my personal organization. What format do I want it in? And how do I want it sent to me? Very, very self-explanatory. Another way of helping you create momentum in your team by knowing who's in it, what's going on with them. The last report on that page is the email list. Same type filtering format where it shows you your ranks, greater than rank. You can pick your rank as you can see. What format do you want it in? And then when do you want it? It's up to you to run these reports. We make these available to you so you can know exactly what's going on in your team and the people that are involved with you. The next tab under the My Organization is what we call the waiting room. So if we click the waiting room, we need to read this real quick. It says rules of the waiting room. All personal enrollees are placed in your unilevel organization, which means they're placed on your first level. You will only be allowed to move your personal enrollees one time, so make sure you provide accurate information and know what you're doing. All new personal enrollees will remain in the waiting room and reside on level 1 of your unilevel organization until they are reassigned. If your new personal enrollee is not reassigned a new placement sponsor, somebody that they're directly under, before the close of the current calendar month, the personal enrollee will remain on level 1 of your unilevel organization. If additional information is required, please contact your upline for support. You have the opportunity to make changes within the first 60 days of the enrollment date of people that you personally enroll. Now, if someone in your organization enrolled someone, they will not show up in your waiting room. They'll only show up in your waiting room if you personally enrolled them. And again, be 100% certain where and when you want to place someone. If you place someone before or after the monthly commission run, it could affect your commissions. All placements are your responsibilities, not the company. So that's kind of the rules of the waiting room. This is a benefit that Artists International allows you to structure your organization however you would like. If you want to leave everyone the way they are, you would simply not use the waiting room to place anyone. They would remain on the level that they joined on, or in this case, anybody showing up in here is on your first level. So let's scroll down and show you what someone in your waiting room looks like. You can see down here, this shows the agent ID, the affiliate ID. You can click and actually get more information on them to make sure you're working with the right person that you want to move to a certain place. It'll show their first name, their last name, the type of customer that they are, wholesale distributor, the date that they joined, and it'll show that they're currently under this ID number. Now, of course, this is a test ID, and that's why the placement is 80,000. Enroller is Carlos Cafe. That's the test account that I'm in. So the enroller would show your name right there. If you want to move this person, you would click the Move button, and it's going to say Move Member, this ID number here, to placement under a different ID number. So you would take out your ID number and type in, a new ID number that you wanted to place them under. You would click on Move, and then it would automatically place them under that new person. And then when you go back to the waiting room, they would not show up any longer because you've already moved them once. Now, one last quick thing I want to show you before we end this video is the Tree Viewer under the My Organization tab. When you click on Tree Viewer, it's simply another way of seeing your organization. The downline chart and the downline viewer are very, very helpful for you to be able to see your organization. But if you want to see it kind of like the branches of a tree, you can actually see your name right here, your first level right here. In this case, if you see a little arrow with this number, that means you have 46 more people directly sponsored by you on your first level, and it's all showing up right there. That is the Tree Viewer in your back office. Now, get ready because the next video is under the My Account section. We've covered all of the information under the Home tab now and the My Organization. We're moving over to the My Account section on the next video.